आप लोगों के बारे में क्या बोलूँ मैं? I love you too. कभी कभी काफ़ी समय से ये आइफा और मेरी कुंडली बन नहीं रही थी. I kept on missing it. I think about 4 years I've missed it, and I'm going this year. Going there to have a good time, see Madrid, and spread lots and lots of love and come back. Thank you.
Salman, please, 1 second.
Shut up.
No. So, Meet Brothers, come here, Meet Brothers.
What are my thoughts about performing at IFA? Right now, I'm not thinking about IFA. But I'm sure it should be good. I've not been performing